Alright, good day guys, and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this particular video, I want to be showing you how to place trade on MT5. Now, there are some beginner traders that don't know how to navigate the MT5, how to place trade, how to buy, how to sell, and all of that. So that's exactly what I'm going to be doing in this video. I'll be teaching you how to navigate your way around the MT5. By the end of this video, you should be able to place that buy or that sell on your MT5. Enjoy this video.
So this is how to place trades on MT5. In this video, I want to be walking you through how to buy, sell, and how to navigate your way perfectly around the MetaTrader 5 app. If you watch this video from the beginning to the very end, you should be able to understand fully how to place trades and how to navigate your way correctly around the MetaTrader 5 app. Now, when you open your MetaTrader 5, this is how it looks like. Right now, I've done a video teaching you how to connect your broker to your MT5. I actually use Bybit broker as an example, and that's the same way you can also apply it to other brokers. Now, having said that, when you come to your MT5, the first thing you're gonna see is codes. Now, in this code here, you're going to be seeing different. Initially, when you come here, you're not going to see anything. It's going to be all blank, because all of these codes here, all of these pairs here, I'm the one that added it by myself. So what you will do is that for you to add any currency pair that you want to be trading on your MT5, you will come and toggle on this plus icon right here. Now, by the time you toggle on the plus icon, then you type the pair that you want to trade. Let's say I want to trade AUD USD. This is it now. By the time I type it, it's gonna appear here, and when it appears, all you have to do is just to click on this plus icon here to add it up. Now, when you let me click on it, by the time I click on this plus here, it has been added to my watch list. Okay, now I'm going to go back. When I go back and scroll down, you're going to see it. So you can see it right here, AUD USD. Okay, now this is how to navigate your way around this first interface. Now, if there is any pair that you don't want to trade or you want to delete it, what you want to do is to come to this pencil icon here, tap on the pencil icon, then you tap on this delete. When you tap on delete, then you can go ahead to delete whatever pair it is that you don't want to trade. When you type it and you click on delete, you can see it has been deleted already. And when you want to add, you tap on the plus icon. As simple as that. Now, the second thing I want to be explaining is the second interface here, which is the chart. Okay, now let's tap on the chart. Now, here on the chart, you can get to see how the pair you are trying to trade, whether it's bullish or bearish and so on and so forth. But personally, I don't use the chart on MetaTrader 5 to analyze the market, because it doesn't give me the view that I want, and it does not give me all of the tools that I use to analyze my pairs whenever I'm trying to trade. So personally, I use the trading view, which I will also recommend for every beginner or every trader to use. I don't advise you using the MetaTrader 5 to actually do your analysis. It's just maybe for you to just see, okay, to come and see what's really happening with the pair that you're trying to trade. Okay, as simple as that. Now, on this same interface, there are so many things I need to explain. You can see. Now you can see that we have your sell, and you can see that we have buy. Okay, now this sell and buy that is reflecting right here is for instant execution. Now, if you want to buy or sell at a market price or at a market order, that is when you're going to be using this one or this one. Let me just use it for example purpose. Now, if I tap on this sell right now, this pair will start selling immediately. Let me type it and see. Now you can see, let me open it. You see that this pair is already selling already. Are you seeing it? So if I come to my trade, you can see that this pair that I just triggered, I just sell, is already selling. Can you see it? It's already selling. Okay, now if I come to buy, if I tap on buy, okay, if I come back here, you will see that it is already buying as well. Do you understand? So I'm gonna come back here to continue the explanation. Now this is for market execution, but if you want to buy on a limit order, for example, let me close this first. Let me close this. To close your trade, you just have to long press on it and you see close position, then you close it. Okay, and then what, you close your trade. Now if you want to use limit orders, okay, that's for some of you that will be taking some trades. Maybe you are in a signal group and you are trying to take trades and all of that. All you have to do is just to tap on this icon here, sorry, you tap on this icon here, this particular icon. Can you see it now? Now it's showing you that you should either sell or buy. Now you can actually sell using this one by dragging it to the particular price point that you want to sell or you want to buy. Okay, but because this might not allow you to actually choose the actual price that you want to buy or sell. So after you just tap it, all you have to do is to tap on this arrow here and you open. Okay, now at this interface, this is where you're going to be doing everything to place your trade. Now you come to this place. If you want to sell, you change this to sell limit. Can you see it now? You change it to sell limit. But if it is buy, you will leave it as buy limit. Okay, and you can see we have instant execution. You can also do instant execution here too. Now for this buy stop, sell stop, and all of the rest, you don't really need it for now if you're a beginner trader. Okay, this is an advanced part of MetaTrader 5. Now all you need to know is the buy limit and the sell limit, so that whenever you are in a signal group or whatever and a trade setup is being sent, you can do well to copy the trade. Now let's say you want to use the buy limit right here. I'll click on buy limit. Okay, then this is the price here. This is the price. You write down the price that you are buying the commodity at. Now let's say the signal that was sent say that I should buy it at 210.555. so all I have to do is just to clean this and change it to 555. Okay, then this is where you put your stop loss. Then you put your stop loss. Let's say your stop loss is 209.555, and then this is where you put your TP, which is your take profit. Let's say our take profit is 222.252. okay, so the moment you finish inputting all of your coordinates like this, all you have to do is just to click on place. You click on place and immediately the trade will be executed. So you click on place and you can see it has been executed. Now if I come right here to this trade here, you will see this limit order. Look at it here, GPP JPY. Now whenever market gets to this point where you have placed this limit order to buy GPP JPY, it will automatically buy it for you. Do you understand? That means that you don't have to be online for this trade to be activated. So other thing I'll be explaining again is the lot size. This is where you can increase or reduce the lot size. Now if you want to increase this lot size, you toggle on. If you want to reduce it, you toggle on this arrow down, and if you want to increase it, you toggle on this arrow up. Now for me to increase this lot size, I'll just toggle on this arrow up. You see it, then you can add it to, maybe if you want to add it to 0.02, you toggle on 0.01. that's how you keep touching it and keep adding it. Okay, ensure that you have a good knowledge of lot size before you are increasing lot size or whatever. Okay, now this is the mini lot size that is recommended for beginners. That's 0.01 to 0.05. okay, and so on and so forth. It depends on your risk appetite and your risk tolerance. Now if you want to reduce it again, you do vice versa. You toggle on the arrow down right here and then you reduce it. So that's how easy it is to navigate your way around the MT5. Now the last thing I want to be showing you is modify. Okay, now let's say I place this limit order and later on I decide that I want to adjust the entering price or the stop loss or the take profit. All you have to simply do is to come to the limit order long press on it, then you see what we call modify order. Now you click on modify order, then you can either change the price, the entry price, the stop loss, or the take profit. As simple as that. Now what if you want to delete the order completely? You can just simply come and long press on it, then you delete the order, and this limit order will be deleted automatically. Let me delete it so that you see it. Can you see it has been deleted automatically? Now the last thing is the history. This history shows you the trades that you have taken and how they played out, how much you lost or how much you made in profit, and so on and so forth. So this is how it looks like. You can see the trade that I placed initially, and I closed them in loss of 56 and 37. So that is just how it works. As simple as that. Very, very simple as that. It's not that complicated. So if this video gave you value or you understood what I just explained, ensure that you like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and drop a comment in this video telling me that you understand everything I just explained right now. And if you do not understand it, I would recommend that you watch this video all over again. Maybe you have to rewatch it carefully in order for you to fully understand it. Thank you, and see you in my next video. I love you guys.